Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a proper EFI for your AMD PCs. If you are using AMD graphics card, it may be discrete or integrated, then this video is for you. After watching this video, you can easily boot your macOS to an AMD PC or AMD graphics card. So without getting much more delayed, let's get started. Now you'll have to open your browser and search for OP Simplify. And here you'll find OP Core Simplify. Just open it. Now click on this icon, click on download zip, download it. Now the download is completed. When the download is completed, open it, and from the zip file, select the folder and drag it to the desktop. Here's the folder. Now close it. Now open the folder. Here you'll find OP Core Simplify.bat. Just double tap on it. Just wait a few seconds. Now hit on the enter key to continue. Again wait a few seconds to complete the download. Now you'll have to type 1 to verify your hardware reports. Type 1 and hit on enter key. Just wait a few seconds to complete the download. Now when it's completed, type E and hit on the enter key. You'll export the hardware reports. Just wait a few seconds. Now you can see it has generated my system specifications. Now in my case, you can see CPU has been detected as Ryzen 5 5600G. That is correct. This processor can support to macOS Sequoia 15. That is, macOS Sequoia is the latest one. And in my case, I'm using dedicated graphics card Intel Arc A750. That is not supported in macOS. But here's the good news. The integrated graphics, that is AMD Radeon graphics, it is supported up to macOS Sequoia. It's showing request monitor. That is, I'm using Intel Arc A750 graphics card for display. And if I want to boot into macOS, then I'll have to use the display from integrated graphics. And here you can see audio driver will work up to macOS Sequoia 15. USB digital audio will be supported. Everything will be supported. Now here's the catch. Your CPU and graphics card is not supported, then you'll not be able to install macOS Sequoia or any version of macOS to your PC. In my case, my dedicated graphics card is not supported, but my integrated graphics card is supported. So make sure that your processor and graphics card both are supported. Now it shows all options that's supported to macOS. Now hit on the enter key to continue. Now we'll have to select the macOS version, type 2. And hit on the enter key. Now you can see there's options which version of macOS you want to install to a PC. You'll have to select. There is a list from macOS Carolina, Big Sur, Monterey, Ventura, Sonoma, and Sequoia. Finally, I want to install macOS 15. That is macOS Sequoia. Then the serial number is 24. Then I'll have to type here 24 and hit on the enter key. Now you can see the EFI option. macOS version is macOS Sequoia and it has selected the SMBIOS as iMac 1.1. But you'll have to customize this. Now we will select Customize SCPI Patch. Type 3 and hit on the enter key. Now you can see it's detected automatically. Now here, the options which are green are selected, but which are white, it can be selected if you want. If you find any option gray colored, that means it's not supported to PC. You shouldn't use any gray color option. You'll have to select only the white color. You'll have to use only the white color. But it's recommended to use only the green options because it will automatically detect your hardware and generate a perfect EFI for you. Now type B to go back. Now here's the fourth option, Customize Kext. Type 4 and hit on the enter key. Now you can see the Kext or selected automatically. There is the gray options. The gray options cannot be selected because these options are not supported to my PC. The white options are supported only this PC. And the green options are selected by default. For example, if I want to add brightness keys, then I'll have to type 60 because here the serial number is 60. Type 60 and hit on the enter key. Now you can see the brightness key is selected. Everything is selected by default. If you don't have any knowledge, it's recommended to use the default settings. Now after checking all else, type B and hit on the enter key. Now finally, we'll have to choose the SMBIOS. Now type 5 and hit on the enter key. Now here you can see that Mac Pro 1 is selected by default. But here you can select other options. You can see the white options, MacBook Pro 15.1, 15.2, 16, and 16.4. You can select any one of them. You can also select iMac 19,1 to iMac 20.2 that supported Radeon Pro graphics card. Now here I'll select iMac 20.2, that is serial number is 20. Now let's type 20 and hit on the enter key. Now you can see the SMBIOS is selected as iMac 20.2, and now here's the final option, build open core EFI. Type 6 and hit on the enter key. Now wait for seconds to complete the process. Here it'll download all the Kext and all the needed files. When it's completed, it will open the result file automatically. If you want to find manually, just close them. And now you'll have to go to the OP core file, go to results, and here you'll find EFI. Open it. Here you can see the needed folders and files automatically created. Go to OC. Here's the config.plist. If you go to Kext, you can see the needed Kext over here. Now you're good to go. Now we can install macOS to your AMD PC. Thanks for watching.